Welcome to Part 12 of Adobe Illustrator 0 to Hero Complete course, in which you will learn about Shear and Reflect tools. The Shear and Reflect tools are lesser used tools associated with basic shape modification. The Shear tool associated with the Move tool slants an object. Both also use an origin point you set or move by clicking. And the Reflect tool associated with the Rotate tool will mirror an object. Use the Reflect tool to make a heart. First, make a half heart by using 2 corner points and 1 curve point. Then click the Selection tool to stop drawing. Now, using the Reflect tool, click once near the center of the heart to set the center for the reflection. Hold down Option key or Alt key to copy and drag to reflect the side of the heart. Holding down Shift as well, make our reflection much more accurate by snapping the reflection to the correct angle. We now need to connect the two parts of the heart. Zoom in on the bottom 2 points and with the pen tool, put your mouse cursor over one of the ends. The cursor will show a forward slash next to it when you are ready to continue the line, which we are going to do. Click, then move the cursor to the end of the other line. Now the cursor shows a small box with a line behind it. This means that clicking will join two lines. Click to join the lines. Now we have 2 points where we should have 1, but that is not a problem. With the pen tool, move over one of the points and then click to delete it. Do the same with the unconnected top 2 points of the heart. You will notice that the cursor changes to have a circle next to it when you are about to join the line. This is Illustrator's way of telling you that clicking will produce a closed shape. Now just delete the extra point as you did before. Let me press Ctrl Z to tell you another method. You can also connect 2 points by selecting both and going to Object, Path, Join. That's all in our Part 12 of Adobe Illustrator 0 to Hero Complete course, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. By the way, if you have not seen our earlier videos, please take a look. This course is especially designed for those who are brand new to Adobe Illustrator. It covers everything in full detail. Link is given in the description and first comment. Please subscribe if you want to master in Adobe Illustrator. So I will see you in Part 13.